Just a quick look at the hinges for the gate. These are incredible hinges. All 316. Grease nipple, all stainless steel grease nipple. Up inside's oil bearing bronze. It's got a key that's welded on. Keep it in. You'd have to grind that key off to get the bushing out. Half-inch holes for half-inch stainless bolts that'll be going into the gate. And the way it works is the gate, or the post has a 1-inch pin. We have a 1-inch ball bearing here that goes up inside, and then the 1-inch pin goes in there. This will be hooked to the gate. You'll see it when it's all done. And yeah, it's a big job making these hinges. It's 3-4 days work to make these hinges. Guaranteed to last 400,000-500,000 years. So we'll see you then.